welcome to the channel. Who are you?
Thanks, my name is Jonathan Lee.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What car do you drive?
This is a 2011 Impreza WRX STI.
So why did you choose Impreza and not the Evo?
Because an Evo doesn't sound like this.
Yeah, I actually agree on that. So for how long have you owned your car?
I have had this car now for a year and a half almost.
You told me that you have wanted Impreza earlier. For how long was it?
I waited 10 years to get this car.
Oh, damn. Yeah. Why did you take so long?
I had other life choices to make.
Yeah, okay.
In the meantime.
I understand. Not a financial mistake like this.
No.
Yeah, I understand. So what's the best part about your car?
I love the way it sounds, and I love that giant ass wing on the back.
Yeah, I agree. As Impreza wouldn't be Impreza without that wing, right?
Oh no.
So have you done any modifications to your car then?
Yeah, the car's had several cosmetic things done to it. We got a front lip spoiler, springs, spacers, some wing stabilizers, some interior pieces have been retrofitted, really nice, updated stuff. It's got about a stage 1 tune on it, so we're about 330 horsepower, about 400 Newton meters, enough to scare you.
Yeah.
It's got one of the coolest sounding blow-off valves you've ever seen.
Which brand is it?
This is Go Fast Bits.
Oh, from
Response.
Australia.
Yep.
Oh, nice. Yeah, they are not so common here.
No.
We just love our HKS and tile.
No, I had to wait for this one.
Yeah. How long did you wait for it?
2.5 months.
Oh,
yeah,
damn, that's pretty impressive to wait for a blow-off.
It was worth it.
That sounds good. So, do you have anything bad to say about your car? Any bad part about the car?
I do drive this daily.
Oh.
But it's not an ideal daily driver for most people. It likes to drink the gas.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
I would imagine that as well.
But I love it, smiles per liter, for sure. Yeah.
Do you have any tip for anyone that's looking to buy Impreza or Subaru? Do you have any tip to them? Something to look out for?
Absolutely. Don't be so scared of the 2.5 liter. If you're smart and you kind of do your due diligence, you can find a really nice one and not have to worry about engine problems. If it's well maintained and it hasn't been dogged out its entire life, they're reliable cars and they can make good power. Brake caliper bolts. Take them out, put some anti-seize on them, or you might break all 8.
Oh. You talk from experience, I hear.
About a 36-hour brake job.
Oh, damn. That's not so fun.
No, not at all.
So, do you have any future plans for the car?
Yeah, the car will eventually become a show car. At some point, it's going to get some more body modifications done to it, a full turbo back exhaust. We might do some interior work as well, but for right now, she's lagom. Just
nice.
Right.
Yeah, I really like this car also. I actually have driven one of these even before I had my channel, but it was completely stock, and as I told you before, it was too quiet. Yeah. A car like this should sound.
You gotta hear it.
Yeah, and the boxer sound is really awesome. Yeah. Do you have any other things that you want to say to the people that are watching?
Why aren't you driving a Subaru?
Yeah, that sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks.
Welcome everybody. My name is Adam, also known as the Swedish car guy. In my channel I do car reviews, car meets and my own project car. Currently not so much with my current car. And here we see a Subaru Impreza. You might ask, are you doing an Impreza again? Hell yeah, I'm doing. This time around we do a newer model. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll talk to you later. Bye. And welcome to this Subaru Impreza from 2011. As Jonathan already told you before, this car is a little bit modified as well. So just listen to these precious sounds. Just listen. How could you not like that? I know I said to you once I prefer an Evo before this car. I absolutely love this car, and it's really annoying because I like all of the cars. So now I'm a little bit confused again. what car should you choose? I know a lot of people, they said Evo, and I still might be Evo man at heart, but I really like this car, and this car has a lot of potential. One really good thing about this car is that this car has 3 different driving modes. Intelligence mode, that makes the car goes like good for the fuel economy, and then you have the sport, that's, you know, it's like it says, it's sportier, but you still don't get balls to balls. Then you have a sport sharp, that's the mode we are in right now, so it's really nice. I just want to demonstrate how insane this is, so I'm just gonna take it to second gear. Just listen. How amazing is that? Really nice. And of course we are holding the speed limit, of course, kinda. So question of the day, do you still prefer the Evo or Impreza? I know I asked you, but I really want you to answer. As this Impreza, I'm really enjoying the seat and the steering wheel. I don't know if you could tell, but it's in Alcantara, and that's really good. For me, I'm a really warm person, so my hands get real slippery pretty quick, so I don't slip at all with the steering wheel. So I would say the steering wheel is a big thumbs up for me. And of course the seats, you know, it's Impreza, so of course you're gonna sit really snug. So which part do you think that are watching is the best part of this car? Which part do I think is the best about this car? It's a really hard question actually, but I would say the sound, you know, it's a boxer motor, what not to love about that? I would say the handling, because it's all-wheel drive, for all of you that didn't know that. So all-wheel drive, around 300 horses stock, and this has a little bit more, so it's I actually have driven one of these before, but it was too quiet. I don't like it, and this sounds so good, as you have heard the sounds of the car. And we are actually driving on a really nice, a little bit twisty road as well, so perfect car to enjoy in these roads. And you know, it's a little bit rainy, but we are in Sweden. We have kind of like weather like England, so what not to expect. So I'm really happy that I'm driving a four-wheel drive car with good handling. It's really practical as well, and as Jonathan said before, miles per gallon. It's the same with both the Evo and the Impreza. They are so similar in spec. It's all depending on, yeah, do you like the styling of the Evo or do you like the styling of the Impreza? It's all up to you. I think it's so personal. Like, I really like them both, so now I can't decide at all which car I would want. As I said, I love Japanese cars, who wouldn't? They are reliable, they are good looking, good performance. Like, what not to love? Come on, you know it's true, right? One really good thing about this car is also the steering. It's, you know, it goes wherever you want it, and you know, you have really good brakes. Let me just demonstrate it for you once. Like, we're going a little bit quicker on this road that allowed, not so much quicker, just a little bit, and the brakes, they really are doing its job perfect. So that's also a really good point in the Impreza. Good handling, good steering, and the brakes. And in this year model, they released the hatchback model of this car, but nobody liked it. I hate it, motherfucker. It's really ugly. This car is really nice, so they reworked the suspension and the link arms and everything to make this stiffer. And this car also has Eibach springs, so that's why, if you can see on the turn here, it's really nice. And the brakes, it's a really nice car. It's so easy to drive. I think even my mother could drive this. She might be a little bit afraid of this car because of the acceleration, but I think she would enjoy this. Get this video to 100 likes, I would bring this car back, and I will also bring my dad to let him rip this car. And if you're new, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also comment what did you think about this video, and I'll talk to you next Sunday. Take care, bye.
Brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.